Our second way to matcha is a beautiful, very moisturizing hair mask. Really good if you suffer from dandruff or dry hair, which happens to me a lot in the winter. I get like this weird dry scalp in the middle of my head. Or I'm in the beach a lot and I'm surfing and I'm in the water a lot, my hair gets really dry. So I love to do this here for amazing locks. We're gonna need avocados, some fresh coconut cream. So this is just coconut meat blended together in the Vitamix. Some matcha, of course, which is antioxidant, and it will help with the dry scalp, and local honey. And this will be super moisturizing. It also can give you natural highlights if you put it in your hair and go in the sun. I love putting honey all over myself. I use it to nourish my skin and to obviously moisturize my hair. Start.